Oh my god. Really, LWX? Oh, here we go.
Northwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, central and Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, southeastern Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia, Berkeley County, Johnsontown, Ridgeway, and Cross Junction. Now for the official national skies, first floor of a building. Line extending from 6 miles northeast to 9 miles northwest of Winchester to New Woodensville. Located 3 miles per hour.
Martinsburg, 6 miles, Shepherdstown, Inwood Pike, Ranson, Maryville, Inwood, Stephen City.
Venus winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Pikesville, Winifred Cross.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright. CTPS viewer. What are the counties? Come on.
Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania,
Alright.
northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania,
Juniata, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill.
County in
Alright.
central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Martinsburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the College Park has issued a World
Newport, Elizabeth,
miles per hour. Epic.
Your thunderstorm was located over Millersburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles.
All users with Pennsylvania, northeast.
You are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersburg, moving at 50 miles per hour.
Northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, southwest
Selinsgrove, Millersburg, Fairview, Ferndale, Trevorton, Lycans, Newport, Elizabethville, Marshallton, Williamstown, Tower City, and Fort Trevorton. Precautionary/preparedness action. Stay inside with the severe. Move indoor.
That was from my car.
National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shamokin, Selinsgrove, Millersburg, Fairview and Ferndale, Trevorton, Lycans, Newport, Elizabethville, Marshallton, Williamstown, Tower City, and Port Trevorton. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Juliana, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, and Snyder.
You're tuned in. You're live. And you're about to hear the hottest tracks from your favorite artists. This is Snap 107. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's see who this is for. Sorry. Carol Frederick. Okay. Washington. Here we go.
In north central Maryland, northwestern Frederick County, and at Washington Channel, the wind storm was located over Smithsburg. PM. A severe.
Okay. LTF. Rivers.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized.
Okay.
So tune in weekdays from 4:26 to 7.
Oh, there you go.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, what in the world is this wind? This wind is crazy. Jeez. Oh, I think we're getting thunderstorms soon. Alright, well, still under the CTPS VR, as you see. And we got an LWXS VR. So, yeah. Alright, another quick update. Rain is heavy. Check this out. CTP issues strong thunderstorms are impacting Adams and Franklin. I just got a notification right now. Check out these thunderstorms. This is bad for me, as you see. I don't expect this out of a marginal risk, but okay. I mean, we needed this. It's been a while since alerts happened or any sort of severe weather. And there's lots of precipitation, so, yep. You can hear all these noises, it's crazy. That lightning yo guys, this was from the lightning. That was from the lightning just now. You saw that.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., severe
Pennsylvania
thunderstorms
County, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York, effective until 8:22 p.m.
miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
and York.
trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower North, Colonial, Youngstown, Progress, Middletown, Palmyra,
Until 8:50.
Northwestern York County.
Referring
This
to
includes the following interstates. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from
Storm warning for southeastern Dauphin County. In south central Pennsylvania,
Impact expected heading from Colonial Park. And from mile markers 42 to 50.
western, eastern,
Interstate Lower Allen. Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Progress, Middletown, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Steelton, and Anvil. This includes the following interstates. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 240 to 265. Interstate 81 near mile marker 69. Interstate 83 between mile markers 24 and 39, and from mile markers 42 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Winchester, and York.
I've been running from finally caught up to
24 and 39, and from mile markers 42 to 50. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Burks SVR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Berks and eastern Pennsylvania until 8:25 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located in North Charlestown, 7 miles north of Martinsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. Impact, impacted include Wyomissing, Hamburg, Sinking Spring, Wilmersdorf, Wintersville, Robesonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Strausstown.
I wonder if this station is going.
Monton, Centerport, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Whitfield, and West Wyomissing. For your protection, move to the floor of a building.
Nope.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. A strong thunderstorm will impact South Central.
The National Weather Service. Southwest wind at 14. 4. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head until 10 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a gust front associated with a line of storms further west was located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge to 10 nautical miles west of Alexandria, northwest of Pennsylvania State Park to 22 nautical miles. Overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing the vessel. Slow to vessel. Locations in Patty, Lloyd Bridge, Smallwood State Park, Swan Point, Dunstan Hall, Hopkinton Bay, Pope Street, Maryland Point, Fort Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Pennsylvania State Park, Cobb Island, Nicholas Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Wicomico River, Indian Head, Fort Hunt, and Brent Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Magacy River, Park Miller Island, Rock Hall, Robbins Island, Woodstock Island, Boston, Wilson Point, Island, Cook Island, North Point, Dunstan River, hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 11:15 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Peapatch Island to 9 nautical miles west of Woodland Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Miami Light, Ship John Shoal Light, Reedy Point, Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Peapatch Island, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 10 p.m. at Easton, Maryland, it was